Good morning, good morning. It's April 30th. Back at this public land. Trying to grab this turkey. A little backstory. I came here Sunday, late morning, probably about 9:30. I struck a bird. I set up on him, got him to come in about 25, 30 yards. He never came up to my setup. I sat here, watched him for about an hour, work off and let him do his business. So I'm back here after him. I wanted to roost a turkey last night, but I got stuck in doing a lot of yard work, so I wasn't able to. But I'm back in here. Hopefully he's still here. If not, I do know where another gobbler is for sure. I seen him yesterday evening, so I know he's still alive. So if this don't work out, I would definitely go ahead to him. But let's see how this goes and let's get it. All right, guys. It's roughly 6:30. Just got out the car. Walking down this dirt road. Trying to listen for gobbles. Got woods on that side. Woods on that side I could hunt. Last time I was here Sunday when we had the encounter with that turkey, I was 100 yards from here. He was probably 300 or 400 from here when I first heard him gobble. So I'm just gonna sit here, out here on the edge of these woods, and just hopefully I hear a turkey gobble, set up on him, and hopefully he comes in. Let's do this. All right, so it's about 6:45, and I have not heard a gobble. I'm going to go in here and set up, call for about 30, 45 to an hour, and just see if something answers. Because when I was here Sunday after I did my scouting, watched him for about an hour, followed his trail, dust bowl, scratching. I seen a couple hens were laying on their nest, or sitting on their nest. So, I mean, they're going to be in the area. So I think I'm just going to go and sit up and wait again. And hopefully this hunt do the same thing. Let's get it. All right. So I have not heard a gobble. I just set up an area where I know they're at, dust bowls, scratching. So I'm just gonna sit here. Got a coyote down there by the creek. I was gonna sit here, do soft calling, probably about 45 to an hour, and just see if something comes in. Cool, I'm just sitting against this log. I got a hen, Jake, and another hen. I'm close to a dirt road, so if something's walking down, maybe he'll walk in on me. But cool, let's sit here for about an hour. I'll be back with you if something starts to move in. All right, guys, I tried that turkey from Sunday. Didn't hear a gobble all morning. Sat there about an hour, calling loud, calling soft, nothing gobbled. So I seen this turkey, this big gobbler late yesterday evening. So he should be alive. He was very close to public. So I'm going to go in that area and hopefully he's there. And if he's there, hopefully I can bring him in. Let's do it. Like I said, I'm not sure how many turkeys, if any turkeys, is around. I seen that one late last night. Right here, going to hunt this field in between some pines and some wood thickets. And just hopefully something comes in. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm set up. I came to the spot where I seen the turkey late yesterday evening while I was working. Drove by, I seen him very close to public. He probably was 200-300 yards from public, basically across the road. I don't know if he's here or not. I haven't even made a call yet. I just want to get set up out here in this field. We got pines over there, then thickets behind us. The creek is probably 150 yards, 200 yards away from here as well. So I'm just gonna sit here, do some soft calling. I'll probably sit here for about an hour, hour and a half. See if something walks in. I got the same setup as my last turkey I harvest, a Jake and 2 hens. Hopefully something comes in, man. If it does, I'll be back. Well, been here for about an hour and 20 minutes. Sitting here calling soft and calling loud. Just calling, nothing ever gobbled. I still got some yard work to do at home, so go get on this honey-do list and try to do some roosting tonight, so I could do a little better in the morning. But yeah, it be like this sometimes, guys. There's been times I went hunting 10 times and then it see or kill anything. The 11th time, everything happened. Seen as many deer as I ever seen in my life. Killed one of the nicest does I ever, it be like this. So on this journey, I'm gonna show all my hunts, whether I get something or I don't. This is a journey. It's gonna show what I mess up on, show how I got better at it, everything. So you gotta just stick with me, man. And this is gonna be a beautiful journey. My footage is iffy. I'm saving up for a camera now, so I will have better footage. But besides that, let's go. Peace to the beginning.